right. Usually he orders the foods whatever he wants, but this time he should consider his health. Yes. Can you help him choose the menu? Yes. To do that, you better get to know about his conditions like his personal tastes and health. Before we start to get information about Mark, I'll give you some hint words. Okay, his name is Mark. Look at this picture.
떡볶이?
No.
펜스티고요.
No.
순다이?
How